Understanding the keto diet, a new way of eating. The ketogenic diet, often referred to simply as the keto diet, has gained immense popularity in recent years. This diet is not just a fad, it's a lifestyle change that many people swear by for its numerous health benefits. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, is a popular weight loss plan. It's a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has been shown to help people lose weight and improve their overall health. But what exactly does it entail? It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This means cutting out foods like bread, pasta, and sugar, and instead focusing on foods like avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. The goal is to get your body to switch from burning carbohydrates for energy to burning fat. This forces your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. Ketosis is a natural process that the body initiates to help us survive when food intake is low. During this state, we produce ketones, which are created from the breakdown of fats in the liver. In ketosis, your body starts burning fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This is why the keto diet is so effective for weight loss. When your body is in ketosis, it becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketones in the liver, which can supply energy for the brain. Imagine a car switching from gasoline to electricity. Just as an electric car runs more efficiently and cleanly, your body runs more efficiently on ketones. This switch can lead to a host of health benefits. That's similar to what happens in your body on keto. When you make the switch to a ketogenic diet, you may experience a range of benefits that can improve your overall quality of life. This dietary shift offers potential benefits like weight loss, increased energy, and improved blood sugar control. Many people report feeling more energetic and focused when they are in ketosis. Additionally, the keto diet has been shown to help manage conditions like epilepsy, diabetes, and even some cancers. However, many people find it challenging to stick to the keto diet long-term. The initial phase, often referred to as the keto flu, can be particularly tough. This is when your body is adjusting to the new way of eating, and you may experience symptoms like fatigue, headache, and irritability. Let's explore the common reasons why people struggle, and more importantly, how you can overcome them. One of the main challenges is the restrictive nature of the diet. It can be difficult to give up foods that you love and are used to eating. Planning and preparation are key to overcoming this hurdle. Meal prepping and finding keto-friendly recipes can make the transition easier. Another common issue is social situations. Eating out or attending social gatherings can be challenging when you're on a strict diet. It's important to communicate your dietary needs to friends and family, and to find keto-friendly options when dining out. Lastly, it's crucial to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. The keto diet is not one size fits all, and it may take some time to find what works best for you. With the right mindset and strategies, you can successfully adopt and maintain a ketogenic lifestyle. The keto challenge. Why do so many people struggle? The ketogenic diet, often referred to as keto, has gained immense popularity over the past few years. It's praised for its potential to help with weight loss, improve mental clarity, and even manage certain medical conditions. However, despite its benefits, many people find it difficult to stick to this diet. Let's explore why. Starting a new way of eating can be exciting, but it also comes with challenges. The initial enthusiasm can quickly wane as the reality of the diet sets in. The keto diet, in particular, requires a significant shift in how one thinks about food and meal preparation. This shift can be both thrilling and daunting. The keto diet is no exception. It emphasizes high-fat, moderate protein, and very low-carb intake. This macronutrient distribution is a stark contrast to the typical high-carb diet that many people are accustomed to. The transition can be tough, and the body needs time to adapt to this new fuel source. Many people stumble on their keto journey due to a mix of factors. One of the primary reasons is the lack of proper planning and understanding. Without a clear plan, it's easy to fall back into old eating habits. Additionally, the initial phase of the keto diet, often referred to as the keto flu, can be discouraging. Symptoms like fatigue, headache, and irritability can make it tempting to give up. One significant hurdle is the restrictive nature of the diet. The keto diet requires cutting out a lot of foods that people love and are used to eating. This includes not just obvious sources of carbs like bread and pasta, but also many fruits and vegetables. The sense of restriction can be overwhelming. Cutting out carbs means saying goodbye to many beloved foods like bread, pasta, and sugary treats. For many, these foods are not just sources of energy, but also comfort and enjoyment. The emotional attachment to these foods can make the transition to a keto diet particularly challenging. This drastic change can lead to feelings of deprivation and trigger cravings. Cravings can be powerful and difficult to resist, especially in the early stages of the diet. It's not uncommon for people to experience intense desires for their favorite carb-heavy foods, which can lead to moments of weakness and even binge eating. Another challenge lies in understanding the nuances of the keto diet. It's not just about cutting out carbs, it's about knowing what to eat instead. The diet requires a good understanding of macronutrients and how to balance them. This can be a steep learning curve for many. It's not just about eliminating carbs, it's about replacing them with the right types of fats and adequate protein. Healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts become staples. But it's also important to get enough protein without overdoing it, as too much protein can kick you out of ketosis. Without proper guidance and knowledge, it's easy to make dietary mistakes that hinder progress. Misunderstanding portion sizes, not getting enough electrolytes, or consuming hidden carbs can all sabotage efforts. This is why education and support are crucial for success on the keto diet. Support systems can make a significant difference. Joining a keto support group, consulting with a nutritionist, or using a meal planning app can provide the necessary guidance and encouragement. These resources can help individuals stay on track and navigate the complexities of the diet. Despite the challenges, many people find success with the keto diet. Celebrating small victories like weight loss milestones or increased energy levels can provide motivation to keep going. Sharing meals and experiences with friends who are also on the keto journey can make the process more enjoyable. Reflecting on the journey and setting new health goals can also be beneficial. Keeping a journal to track progress, challenges, and successes can provide valuable insights and keep motivation high. Setting realistic and achievable goals can help maintain focus and commitment. In the end, the keto diet is a personal journey. It's about finding what works best for you and making adjustments along the way. With the right mindset, support, and knowledge, overcoming the struggles of the keto diet is entirely possible. Embrace the journey, celebrate the progress, and enjoy the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. Your brain on keto battling cravings and willpower. The journey of transitioning to a ketogenic diet is not just a physical one, but a mental one as well. Understanding how your brain reacts to this change can be the key to success. Our brains are wired to seek pleasure and reward, and food plays a significant role in that. The pleasure we derive from eating is deeply rooted in our brain's reward system, which is designed to ensure our survival by encouraging us to seek out energy-dense foods. Carbohydrates in particular trigger the release of dopamine, a feel-good neurotransmitter. This is why we often find ourselves reaching for that slice of cake or bowl of pasta when we need a mood boost. The immediate gratification we get from these foods can be hard to resist. When you drastically reduce carbs on keto, your brain might protest. This is because it has been conditioned to expect the quick energy and pleasure that carbs provide. The sudden absence of these foods can lead to feelings of frustration and deprivation. Cravings for those forbidden carbs can be intense, especially in the initial stages of the diet. This is completely normal. Your brain is essentially going through a withdrawal period, similar to what happens when you try to break any other habit. Your body is adjusting to a new fuel source. Instead of relying on glucose from carbs, it starts to burn fat for energy. This metabolic shift can take some time, and during this period, you might experience what is commonly known as the keto flu. Willpower alone is often not enough to combat these cravings. While determination is important, it's also crucial to understand that cravings are a natural response to the changes happening in your body and brain. It's essential to have strategies in place. Planning your meals, keeping healthy snacks on hand, and finding keto-friendly alternatives to your favorite high-carb foods can make a significant difference. We'll discuss practical tips for managing cravings later on. These tips will help you stay on track and make the transition to a ketogenic lifestyle smoother and more sustainable. Remember, the key to success is not just about resisting temptation, but also about creating an environment that supports your new way of eating.